Welcome to the mobile woodshop. There's not much to it, but there's a lot we can do with it. I was fortunate when I bought this trailer that it was already ready to go, and all I had to do was bring in some tools so I can get started on the mobile woodshop, and we can do lots of different activities. I can teach lots of different skills, and one of which is knife handle making. And I was given the opportunity the other day to go to a local fire department. I should say local, is about an hour and a half drive from here, but a local fire department. And they got off of their 48-hour shift. I'm sure they were tired. I didn't even ask how many times they were up the last couple nights working. One of them actually is a friend of mine, and we got together and just made some made some knife handles and had some good conversations, had some good laughs, had a good breakfast, and just we were able to focus not on the the difficulties of their last 48 hours, how many calls they ran, or even what type of calls they ran. We were focused on what we were doing and focused on having fun and enjoying our time together. So that's what we're doing here at TopherWood and the fight with depression is I'm teaching new skills to help people, like I said, improve and maintain their mental health. I do that through woodworking and photography mainly. We also do that through encouragement with the podcast and getting out and talking to people and everything. So I was in the fire service for 20 years, and I know how difficult life can be sometimes, having to juggle a family and the fire service and everything else that comes along with it. Not to mention also suffering from mental illness myself. I have dealt with depression, anxiety, obsessive compulsive disorder my entire life. Instead of sitting around and finding excuses, complaining, um, being upset about everything, and wondering why I am the way that I am, I'm using it to encourage people, to bring help, to bring hope, to bring motivation, uh, to help improve and maintain other people's mental health as well. So if I can take this mobile wood shop to a local fire department, a local church, a business, somewhere where people can need to get away or want to get away from their monotony, the daily activities, just the same thing over and over, and learn something new that they can be proud of. They can make a knife handle, they can make a picture frame, they can make a cutting board. With the few people that I've helped so far making knife handles, I think I've probably done, I think 10 knife handles, let's say, maybe with people. And just seeing them, how happy they are with something that they made themselves. It's something that tangible that they can hold on to, and it can remind them that they made that with their hands. It's not something that they had to save up money for, that they just went to the store and bought. Somebody, they made it in a factory or whatever. This is something that they made by themselves. But the question I want to ask is, what did you do? What have you done to improve your mental health? What have you done to improve the mental health of those around you? Is that why you get onto social media? Is that why you get onto YouTube and watch videos? Do you do that for a break from reality? Do you do it to learn something new? Um, we can do these things to escape reality, to escape our lives, or we can do it to we can watch videos, we can learn skills to improve ourselves. I mean, sadly, like I said, from being in the fire service for so long, seeing so many people in different circumstances, many people wanting to and actually giving up on their lives can get discouraging from somebody just watching it and thinking that there's nothing that they can do. I mean, what do I do as a firefighter when I respond to somebody who's taken their own life or who's tried to take their own life? You listen to the podcast episode I put out on hope. I talk about the difference between a passive hope and an active hope. So I'm taking that active approach to give people hope. And it's my hope that, people that maybe there's something I can do to improve somebody else's mental health. I mean, we can be spectators in our own lives, or we can be the lead character in our stories. We all make the story of our lives, and we can sit back and narrate as our life passes us by, or we can write that story. We can be the author of our story. And I want somebody who's read, somebody who's looked back on the story of my life and maybe be impressed by it, be encouraged by it. But like I asked earlier, what have you done for your mental health today? What have you done for the mental health of others today? So this is what we're doing here with this mobile wood shop. We're taking it to other people and giving them the opportunity to learn new skills as a way to improve or maintain their mental health. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, give us the thumbs up, and stay up to date on what we're doing. And yeah, thanks for checking it out. And until next time, God bless.